need both them logs.
You need both those logs?
Yep.
Both of them. You're gonna take them both across. You ain't got slings on either of them guns either, do you?
No, he's gonna hold them and I'm gonna drag the logs.
Oh, yeah, what plan?
Hey, you gotta keep them floating.
We might just have to say fuck it.
Can you stick it in the mud? That big one in the mud across there? In the bank? Oh, damn.
You fuckers, we better shoot a fucking deer here for all this. This is pretty long woods, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like all the way that county road. Try to go upstream first.
You gonna do try to get that tree?
Hold that log. Yep. Water is full.
We're in Bigfoot country out here.
Yeah. You can get there right there. That log will reach.
That is fucking deep.
That log will reach that other one, though, I think.
Yeah, I forgot your boots ain't as tall as mine.
This ought to be interesting. You know that log's gonna be plunging, don't you?
No shit. Might look easy, but this water.
There you go. Oh, look at it. This can't be good.
Well, let me put a dip in before I ruin all my dip.
We need to build a
If I
bridge there.
fall submerged, I'm not walking up the woods.
It might have to be warm. Flip it around. Like knots on the bottom. Maybe it will
Yeah, this is good, yeah.
better. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. There you go. Oh, fuck. Look at Trenton, because he knows if he makes all like else, he's got to go too.
Yeah, just sit down and shimmy up it.
Oh, you're in, Trenton.
Man, that son of a bitch is solid.
I got two guns.
Now you gotta walk up there and hand them to him.
Yeah, that is ungodly deep over there.
See that?
Yeah. About chest deep, huh? Look at Trenton. He's like,
What about right here? It looks like it might be a little...
Gotcha.
It's shallower right here if you could walk all the way across that log.
if you can stand on that first part of that.
log.
Yeah, it's right there.
He's gonna walk it.
I don't like that idea.
That's fucking deep.
Come over here.
Can you keep that log from rolling while he's walking?
Yeah. He didn't keep it from rolling for me. You're getting wet, buddy.
Yeah, my fucking boots are not as
Get that
deep
other-
as his.
You want me to throw you my boots? Alexia's got, what size you wear? Bigger than her.
10 and a half.
Why don't we have one of them come down here and hold them guns? Oh. We can't get across that no more.
Why don't you toss Caleb a gun?
Toss him a gun. That's safe.
Not point at him.
Yeah, eject the shell.
I mean, like,
Nothing in that barrel. This is like, no, this is a stupid idea. I mean, it's a fucking $300 gun.
Well, if you get that other log, I think you can hand him to him.
Yeah, yeah.
Ready for the gun. I will catch it if you get it here.
Try to get closer first.
yeah, Caleb, why don't you?
Okay, he said fuck it.
Don't fall right here, buddy. Do not fall right here.
Hand you both guns, that way you don't get both of them wet. Now let him get out of your way.
My feet are fucking soaked.
Mine are too.
All right,
Just
start
make
walking.
I didn't fucking make it.
Well, I just hold on. He's not across yet.
All right, we're gonna go get the truck. We'll meet you over there.
Yeah, whatever.
That is deep.
That's what you call dedicated. I hope the keys are in the truck.
Dude, I know. I wasted.
I can't believe they just.
That one I need. I got the other one in my pocket.